Hi everyone, today date 21st November 2021, Sunday. We're going to analyze the Bank Nifty for next week. If you've not taken a look on the previous week analysis, then spend few minutes to watch my previous videos and see how the last week movement was and to the key levels we shared in TradingView and YouTube channel. Let's have a look on the Bank Nifty chart. So let me hide the levels I marked before. So it was retraced to the level Kijun-sen last week, and it's supposed to be get support from here. Let me see where. Yeah, exactly, it got support at the Kijun-sen weekly Kijun-sen level. See you next week. Thank you.